This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Use 12-gauge copper wire. Electrically ground oven. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
Make sure the power supply to the junction box is turned off. Remove the junction box cover. Route the flexible conduit from the lower oven to the junction box through a UL-listed or CSA-approved conduit connector and tighten conduit connector. Route the flexible conduit from the upper oven to the junction box through a UL-listed or CSA-approved conduit connector and tighten conduit connector. If your junction box is metal, add a pigtail ground wire to this connection and attach the loose end of the pigtail to the grounding screw on the box. Next, join the bare copper or green insulated ground wires from the oven and the house supply using a UL-listed wire nut. Connect the 3 red wires together using a UL-listed wire connector nut. Connect the 3 black wires together using a UL-listed wire connector nut. Connect the 3 neutral white wires together using a UL-listed wire connector nut. Carefully fold the wires and tuck them into the junction box and replace and secure the junction box cover.